How's it going, guys? This is a new video. I haven't posted in a hot minute. It's been a while. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys still watch my channel. I don't get a lot of views, so let's see how this goes. But yeah, we're out here shelling corn. It's our first day of running. Started off the year pretty great with our 6120, the tractor we like to put on our auger cart. That took a massive crap. I guess the starter took a massive shit, or crap, whatever you like to call it. She took a massive poo, so we had to put our old 4440 Reliable on her. She's now running the auger freaking tip tops. I'm out here in our 9650 STS combine, running our 8-row head, combining corn. Not going very fast because I'm recording. Controlling a combine with one hand is kind of a deal. We don't have office or anything like that, so we're free. We're free here. You got to make sure all your stuff is going well and everything. You don't want things to, you don't want to plug the combine up, but this is pretty dry stuff. I don't think we'll ever plug the combine up ever. It's you know, for the crap year we've had this year, our yields are honestly not that bad. Don't pay attention to the moisture sensor. The moisture sensor in this combine hasn't worked in years. She is 16 years old, so she's showing her age. But the yield's exactly right. I mean, that is some amazing yields for a shit crop, except that. But for a crap crop this year, I am really surprised. I can't remember the number this is. This is the Calp, if I remember right, but I don't remember the maturity. I think is 107-day corn. Somewhere around there. It's later in the year. We planted this. Got a freaking big beeping at us here. And you can see there's other people over there combining. So, well, we're doing the old-fashioned way with carts because we don't have that many acres, so a grain cart is kind of pointless to us. Unless, you know, one of the big companies want to send us on a grain cart. You know, that'd be pretty nice, you know, you guys. But yeah, hopefully you guys see this as an update. I'm gonna start posting more videos now that harvest's starting to go. We have this and that field of corn over there, if you guys can see. That's what I did. Drop her a little bit. I don't want to be missing any cobs here. Oh yeah, so we have the heist thing on this thing, and we don't have that activated on the combine. But yeah, sorry about that. Got a little tipsy on the dipsy, whatever. English right there. Yeah. All right. I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Hopefully this week we'll get a lot of videos going here. I'm hoping to start uploading like two times a week. I'm hoping with the way harvest is gonna go. Yeah, hopefully it's not gonna be a crap year with the rain and anything like that. So let's hope how this thing goes. I hope you guys like the video. Bye.